The poetry Clean Yourself. It was written by me on 11th May 2023. Purify your own mind. The world will spontaneously be holy, sacred, if everyone builds clean world in own heart. All distresses of the world will disappear, will float in the stream of joy at all times. No one's heart will remain empty. In the deep of the heart, the perpetual truth will bloom. He will rectify own faults and flaws. All advices for deliverance will be sounded. In the world's soul will remain in self-analysis. The sense of glory is not to be raised in mind. This life will remain engaged for the accomplishment of the world's happiness and prosperity. The smile of flowers will float in the heart. The clean blue sky will come to give love, will remain selfless at all times. This life will never become pale, will remain colored with world colors.